we've landed ourselves here. This is the backwaters of Emerald Lake. This is near Avalanche. So we hired a two-wheeler in Ooty and we rode all the way here. So it's a very beautiful landscapes that we cut across. It's actually very pretty. So it's a must try. Anybody who comes to Ooty, if you want to get away from the the hustle bustle, you can come here to Avalanche. There seems to be multiple entrances to this lake, but you can just stop anywhere. You can get into the lake and you can also sit here and relax. So going to get some dinner at a really nice Chinese restaurant. It's kind of my favorite place to go to when I come to Ooty. So let's go get some dinner. So this is a place, it's called Darjeeling Spicy Momo. So it's definitely a must try. They have yummy momos, soups and some noodles and fried rice. So this bazaar also has, you can buy chocolates and essential oils and tea and whatever shopping that you have to do. You can order your food there and then, buy your stuff. I'll get some chocolates. We have plenty of chocolates. So that's what we got, some chocolates, some tea. This is really nice. So I had this tea and I loved it. And there's some mango chocolates. And the famous Ooty varieties.